With the rapid emergence of hybrid crime, decision-making in law enforcement operations isn't just about instinct anymore. It's about mastering data and resilient strategies. And because hybrid crime is global, local agencies who rely on guesswork are already behind the threat. Compstat is recognized by Harvard's Kennedy School of Government as the gold standard in crime analytics. In this manual, Zero Tolerance for Half-Truths and Total Incompetence, this is your pathway to master why Compstat is ideal for organizational cultures built on results and not excuses. Implementing Jack Maple's 4 components of fighting crime to stay ahead with evidence-based data and decision-making. Presenting at the control meeting, backed by facts, not opinions, with indisputable results. Accredited by Georgia Post and as reciprocated by your state's Post Council. This manual prepares you for a 101 or cohort training, earning you a certificate with 2 credit hours. Scan the QR code and you'll be on the path of mastery that wherever your crime-fighting leadership is present, everything begins to change.